Under the Sea, illustrated by Peter Scott. Written by Alistair Smith and Judy Tatchell. Designed by Russell. Dolphins. Under the sea is a different world. Dolphins are some of the friendliest animals that live there. Here's a mother dolphin with her baby. Lift the flap to see her talk to it. Dolphins speak using clicks, squeaks, and squeals. Baby dolphins stay with their mothers until they are about 3 years old. Dolphins love to play. They can swim so fast that they jump right out of the sea. They flip over in midair and dive back down again. Sometimes dolphins chase each other for fun. They like to swim beside boats, too. You can see them leaping in and out of the water. Dolphins breathe air just like we do. They swim up to the surface for air. They can breathe as fast as you can blink. Then they dive down again. Dolphins live in groups. They help each other look after their babies.
Sharks. Sharks are all shapes and sizes. The smallest is the size of your hand. The biggest is as big as a bus. This one is called a great white shark. It is fierce and strong. If you were a fish in the sea, you'd better swim away. Just look at all those teeth. A shark like this has about 3,000 teeth, and they are very sharp. The tiniest shark is called a pygmy dwarf shark. The biggest shark of all is called a whale shark. It is a gentle giant, though. When it eats, it just opens wide and swallows a mouthful of tiny floating animals. It is so big it has to eat lots of them.
Seahorses. These are seahorses. They are fishes, though a seahorse doesn't look much like a fish. Baby seahorses grow inside their fathers, not their mothers. This is a father seahorse. One of the babies is being born. Can you find its brothers and sisters? After they are born, the babies swim off and take care of themselves. A seahorse swims by waving the fin on its back very quickly, but it still only moves along slowly. When it wants to keep still, it curls its tail around something and holds tight. There's another fish here hiding in the seaweed. It's called a leafy sea dragon. It's a very frilly seahorse. Some grow twice as big as this. All these animals are their real size. The one above isn't fully grown yet, though.
Corals. All these lovely yellow, green, blue, and red shapes are made of tiny animals called corals. Lots of corals together like this are called a coral reef. See what you can find living on the reef. There are lots of places for little fish to hide from bigger ones. Here's a starfish. An orange rock makes a good hiding place for an orange octopus. Lots of fishes here have pretty patterns. This helps them to hide among the bright corals. Corals give off a small dose of poison if something touches them. The fish is in danger. The poison stops the fish from moving. Now the coral will eat it.
Deep down, deep in the sea, it's as dark as night. Some fish have lights on them so they can see and be seen. This flashlight fish has light by its eye. It covers the light with a flap of skin to turn it off. A viper fish has light on its back. Other fish swim to the light and get caught by the viper fish. This is an anglerfish. It has light above its head. Other fish notice the light and swim to it, but they better watch out. Oh dear, this fish swam right into the anglerfish's mouth. The anglerfish doesn't chase its food, it only swims slowly.
Near the beach. Closer to the beach, the sea is shallower. Lots of animals live here. There is plenty to eat and the water is warm. Here is a blenny. There is something behind the seaweed too. It's a lionfish. Watch out, it has spikes on its back. They'll hurt you if you touch them. Here, sunlight reaches to the bottom of the sea, so lots of plants can grow too. This stripy eel is called a zebra eel. It is chasing an octopus. Lift the flap to see how the octopus gets away. The octopus squirts a cloud of inky liquid. When the inky liquid cloud has gone, the octopus has escaped.
Fishy tricks. Some fish are good at looking after themselves. They use clever tricks to keep safe from other hungry fish. This fierce fish is a grouper. It is looking for something to eat. This pufferfish is in danger. When it's scared, the pufferfish sucks in water. It fills up like a balloon and spikes stand out from its skin. This parrotfish can make a good, gooey, slimy taste that tastes horrible. It wraps itself in the slime before it goes to sleep. If other fish try to eat it, the parrotfish will get a mouthful of yucky slime. This is a plays. When it's lying on sand, it looks like sand. Lift the flap to see what happens if it moves. Now the plays is lying on pebbles. It hides from other fish by changing to match its background.
This book has shown you some of the things that live under the sea, but it would take thousands of books like this to show them all.